Today, we're going to learn how to check current flow in electrical circuits, how to interpret your readings, and how to use both an ammeter in series and an inductive amp clamp. Knowing how to measure current safely and correctly is an essential skill for any technician. The unit of measurement for current, the flow of electrons, is called the ampere or simply amp. When measuring current with a digital multimeter or DMM, always start on the highest amperage range. Then lower the setting until you get a clear, usable reading. If your reading is more than half the range of the scale you're on, don't switch lower. Otherwise, the meter might not display correctly. And remember, never exceed the maximum amperage capability of your meter. Doing so could permanently damage it and possibly give you a nasty surprise. An ammeter must always be connected in series with the circuit. That means you actually have to open the circuit and place the meter inside it. First, make sure the meter's positive lead is plugged into the AMP input, not the V input. The negative lead stays in the COM port. Now open the circuit, disconnect one side, and place the meter leads on each side of that break. The meter is now part of the circuit. To measure, operate the circuit and observe the reading. This shows the amount of current flowing through that circuit or component. Warning: the circuit will function at this time. Be mindful of any hazards. While a series connection is accurate, sometimes it's inconvenient or even impossible to open the circuit. That's where a dedicated current measuring tool, called an amp clamp, comes in. An amp clamp works by detecting the magnetic field created by current flow in the wire. Simply clamp it around one conductor only. Clamping around both the supply and return wires together will cancel out the reading. This method is quick, safe, and lets you check current without interrupting the circuit. Once you have your reading, compare it to the manufacturer's specification. If current is higher than normal, that could mean a short, an overload, or excessive mechanical load on a motor. If it's lower than expected, you might have high resistance, a failing component, or poor connections. To recap, always start on the highest current range. For a DMM, connect in series and set your leads correctly. For quick, safe checks, use an amp clamp around a single conductor. Thank you, and always interpret your results in context with the circuit's normal operating values. Measuring current is a simple step, but it can tell you a lot about the health of your circuit.